Commercial liquid drain cleaners are normally caustic-based. Caustic-based drain cleaners are bad for a number of reasons. The fumes from commercial drain cleaners, especially off-brand and inexpensive cleaners, are toxic to inhale. You have to be very careful when using these drain cleaners because they can sting and irritate your nose and eyes. While drain cleaners are designed to clear your pipes, they can actually damage them. The chemicals in these cleaning solutions sit and gnaw at the pipes, and they can damage the enamel and other expensive finishes in your kitchen or bathroom. Oftentimes, the chemicals used in drain cleaners end up in landfills and can be damaging to the environment if they leak into the local water. Many times, after using a chemical drain cleaner, homeowners are forced to give their plumbing company a call anyway. Using these chemicals doesn't always fix the plumbing problem. Part of our drain cleaning service does include using our own enzyme-based liquid drain cleaner called ProClean. ProClean doesn't wreak havoc like caustic-based brands. It's chemical-free, biodegradable, environmentally friendly, and won't rot your pipes. If you find yourself with a clogged drain, give us a call. Our professional plumbing technicians can help get your drains back up and running without damage to your plumbing system.